Hello, hi and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it and you can comment it as well. As well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. And today I'm going to make really yummy spicy potato sandwich. So let's start. Here is the ingredients. 2 slices of bread, brown bread. I'm using brown bread. Chopped coriander, chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt and mozzarella cheese. This is onion chopped, and I used a small size of onion and chopped chili, just 2 of chili, and this is lemon juice, and this is 1 medium size of potato is mashed, and then this is black pepper and butter and some oil. So let's start. Here the pan is hot. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of oil and make sure the gas flame is in low heat. And now I'm going to put chopped onion, at the same time I'm going to put some turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, chili powder, salt, cook for 30 seconds, and then we'll add a mashed potato. Now I'm going to add chili and going to add chopped coriander, now stir it and cook for 1 minute. Okay, the stuffing is ready. At last, I'm going to add lemon juice. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now it's ready. I'll turn off the gas and then I will put it in a bowl. Here it looks like this. Now I'm going to put the butter on the bread. Spread the butter. This. This, and then I'm going to put this stuffing that we made before. I'm gonna put it on top of the bread. Now I'm going to the mozzarella cheese. And put some black pepper. Okay. Now here the pan is hot. I'm going to put some butter. Now I'm going to put bread. We will cook it until the bread will go turn into a brown, golden brown. Okay, let's check. It's golden brown. Now I'm going to spread some butter on top of this bread. Like this. And then I'll flip it. So let's check it. Yes, golden brown. Now I will turn off gas. I will show you. This is how it looks like. It's ready to eat. Let me cut in half. It's really crispy. As you can see here. Yummy, spicy sandwich is ready. Hope you like my video, and of course you can try at home. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and you will see all the ingredients that I used in this recipe in the description box. So thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.